You watching me now, come closer. Yes, you, I'm talking to you. I know your hair has been giving you serious question. You have been looking at it and be like, should I just barb this thing? You are asking, why is your hair not growing? Everybody's hair is growing except mine. Oh yes, oya come. Come, let me show you this simple herbal hair spray. First, grab a very clean container. Please, I said clean one. No, don't use the container that I used and stored stew yesterday. Your hair has not offended you. Add 1 teaspoon of mint leaves. Yes, that mint leaf everybody has been talking about. Put it inside. Next, add hibiscus leaves, popularly known as zobo. That same zobo you have been drinking, your hair wants to drink it too. Then add your orange peel. The orange you just finished licking, please don't throw it away. Add the peel. The peel has just found a new job. And finally, add your henna leaves, popularly known as lale. That same lale you know, apply it in our finger. Put it in your hair. Your hair wants to apply it too. Now add 2 cups of hot water. The hot water helps extract the plant compounds from the ingredient. Cover it properly and leave it to steep overnight. Go and sleep. Let these ingredients have their own meeting too. Even them, they want to sleep in your hair. The next morning, strain everything properly. Now, can you see how these ingredients have infused inside this hot water? Look at the infusion. Just look at that beautiful color. Are you seeing it? Very simple. You can just make this thing within a twinkle of an eye. Can you see that beautiful reddish color, largely from the hibiscus and henna? Now, get your clean spray bottle and a funnel. Please, if you don't have one, just enter market. Buy a very good one. Don't tell the seller, madam, give me the cheapest bottle because your hair is suffering. No, don't do that. Transfer your infusion into the spray bottle. But before you do that, please strain it. Yes, you need to strain it so that ingredients will not clog on your hair. Strain it. If you want, you can add a small amount of carrier oil. But remember, oil and water don't naturally mix together. So shake it very well. Shake it like your life depends on it before you use it. And there you have it. Your very simple herbal hair spray is ready. So you can lightly spray it on your hair, your scalp. When your hair needs moisture, then you gently massage it in. This is a leave-in. Please always don't wash it out. And don't spray your hair today and start checking on the mirror every 30 minutes and say, it is longer now, my hair is supposed to be this, my hair is supposed to be that. My sister, give that hair some time. Be consistent with your overall hair care routine. Protect your ends, moisturize your hair and handle it gently. And that December hair you have been dreaming about, we are working towards it. But please, don't come back after 3 days and say, Tina, why is my hair not growing? Why is it not in waist length? It's not magical. It's not magical. Yes, no hairspray does any magic. Just give it like 30 days and come back. Your hair growth takes time and everyone's hair grows at a different rate. So if you love this DIY hair care recipe, follow Tina's Hair and Beauty on YouTube channel. We are not allowing our hair to suffer in silence. Have you shared this video? I know you have not. Oya, share. Abeg, share it with your friend. Share it before I come woes you. I'll see you in my next one. I love you and remain blessed. Bye bye.